Okay, so this time we are going to practice on dividing fractions. And dividing fractions the same are not very hard. But let's say I had 2 over 3 and then I was dividing by 4 over 11. So of course this looks a little bit difficult. But we can rewrite this as 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 over 11. Now, to actually divide this, we need to turn it into a multiplication problem. And to do that, what we are going to do is that we are going to change the second fraction. And we are going to multiply by the reciprocal. Now, the reciprocal means that all we're going to do is just flip the second fraction. The reciprocal of 4 over 11 is 11 over 4. So now that it's a multiplication problem, we can multiply straight across. We have 22 over 12. And so if we can reduce that, we can. We can divide both sides by 2. And we're going to have 11 over 6. And that would be our answer. Same thing, let's say we had 5 over 9 divided by 20 over 27. So what we need to do is that we need to flip that second fraction into 27 over 20. Now we multiply straight across, so 5 times 27 would give us 135. 9 times 20 would be 180. We can actually reduce this by 45, that's a common factor. And it can go all the way down to 3 over 4. Easy as that. Now just to show you exactly what the reciprocal means, let's say we had 3 over 7 and we're dividing by 3 over 7. So we switch this to a multiplication problem, and so we're going to flip that 3 over 7 to 7 over 3, and we multiply straight across. Now what happens here is that on the top we're going to have 21, and on the bottom we are also going to have 21. So 21 divided by 21 actually just ends up being 1. So in other words, when we're talking about multiplying a reciprocal, so if we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, it's just going to be equal to 1. And that becomes very important when we're solving equations in algebra, because we need to cancel, if we ever need to cancel out a fraction, we usually do it by multiplying by its reciprocal.